But ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Brands Academy team, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to each and every one of you who are the winners of Brands Academy Excellence Awards, the most coveted awards of the year. And today, it's time for us to recognize all your efforts, all your hard work that you put into making yourself an unparalleled institution in your own, on your own. Brands Academy is the only organization in India to offer such an unparalleled platform to provide recognition and exposure to the efforts and contribution of individual professionals, small businesses, technology startups and companies, SMEs, and fast-growing organizations towards the economic growth of this beautiful country, and also generating employment for the Indian youth with establishing a credible business for yourself as well. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the one and only VVS Lakshman, who's already here with us. Give him a round of applause again. Sir, may I please request you to join us on stage, please? Sir, we're all honored here today to have you here with us today. I'd like to request you to please say a few words to all our winners as well this evening.
Thank you very much for those kind words. I feel great to be here, the reason being that you are amidst achievers. And I think it's a great initiative by the Brands Academy to get all the achievers in one platform where they're recognizing the performances of the achievers. I think that's very important. So thank you very much for doing that. To the Brands Academy, I think it's a great initiative because as a cricketer, I have known that when you're recognized for your performances, what you're trying to do for your team, for your country, it always feels great. And that's an encouragement you require. And I think that's the right kind of encouragement you're providing to all the entrepreneurs, all the achievers who are here by congratulating them for what they have done and by encouraging them and stimulating them to get better. So thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to share the space with some achievers of the country in a different field altogether. And I wish all of you a lot of success, a lot of success, because India requires entrepreneurs. India requires people who have got a lot of faith in themselves, a lot of belief in themselves, and above all, who take a lot of pride in what they're trying to do. Congratulations and all the very best.
Here, ladies and gentlemen, I'd also like to extend the heartfelt thanks to all our partners and sponsors without the support of whom this magnificent event will not have been possible. First and foremost, I'd like to introduce to you all our hospitality partner, the very beautiful venue that we are at right now here, the Lalit Ashok, Bangalore, that is graciously hosting this gala event. Can we have a round of applause going on for Lalit Ashok and team, please? We would like to extend our gratitude to our official media partners, including the TV media partner, Bloomberg India, our magazine partner, Delhi Press, visual media partner, AdLabs, and outdoor media partner, Starshine, for partnering with us for this event today. We'd like to also thank our media partners for making it possible for us to showcase the achievements of our winners on the national level, which is a matter of great pride for all concerned. We'd also like to thank our road travel partner, carsonrent.com, and entertainment partner, Step Up Dance Lab, for their valuable support in making this event a great success. So without further ado, the most awaited part of this evening now going to unfold, because I'm going to call upon for the names of the recipients of various awards. Are you excited? Are you excited? Excited agidira? Excitement irukka? Illa excited illa ninga? Yes and no, sir. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and start out without further ado. And in no particular order, I'm just call upon all of these names. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our next awardee is for the most innovative fitness studio in Bangalore. And it goes to Nap Body Studio. May I please request the founder, Mr. Anuradha Agarwal, to come up on stage and receive this coveted award. Today's health is at the crossroads with the ever-increasing consumption of meat, alcoholic beverages, and decreases in consumption of starchy staple foods. The other aspects of lifestyle also change, notably large reductions in physical activity and large increases in the prevalence of obesity. Nap Body Studio is committed to the mission of bringing about a transformation in people's lives, educating and empowering them on how to live a healthier life through the power of positive fitness approach. And so, may I please request you to say a few words?
Hello. Thank you very much for the award, Mr. Lakshman and Brand Studio. This is a very unique type of health, fitness and wellness studio. You can never think, always you dream, काश exercise अपने आप हो जाती, काश लेटे लेटे एक्सरसाइज हो जाती. ये ऐसा प्रोग्राम है. I saw this program in Europe first. I went for my treatment. I was suffering 6 years back pain. In 10 days, my back pain gone in Europe. Then I thought I will bring this program to India. And really this program, it is a very internal health I am working. Lot of diseases is cure in this. It is a complete health prevention program. And this program, any age people can do, 18 to 80 years. And this is a very interesting program. This technology invented in 1930 with a biochemist and a orthopedic doctors. This program is really interesting. We will give the pass to everybody who is here. Please come and visit this, see and feel this program. Okay, thank you very much.
जितना पैशन से आप बोल रही थी मैडम, मेरे को लगा कि मैं इधर ही मेरा ट्रीटमेंट हो जाएगा. Congratulations, but any which way.